Recently, I decided to try the Munching Squares algorithm on my XY scope, but that caused the deflection amp to pull too much current and burned up the power supply. I disassembled and assessed what went wrong and found that my suspicions were correct on the power supply being undersized along with not being designed well enough from the start. Granted, I did just kind of throw it together in an afternoon. The driving MOSFET went into thermal runaway, even with cooling, and shorted out, resulting in a wire being burned in two with lots of smoke. When rebuilding the power supply, I used the updated circuit design that can be found on the GitHub repo for this project. The only difference being, instead of using transistors to drive the MOSFETs, I'm using dedicated MOSFET driver chips. I decided to go with a pull-pull design using two MOSFETs and a larger transformer with a center tap, rather than the single MOSFET drive I had before with the transformer in a flyback configuration, as the transformer was becoming saturated and wasting a lot of energy as heat. This newer design works much more efficiently, and I did no math on how many windings to use. I literally just threw it together this afternoon and it draws half as much current while idling. I still have some overheating problems with the power supply, so I kept the fan on it and added a second fan just for the deflection amp. The deflection amp still draws current exponentially when its supply voltage approaches plus and minus 20 volts, so I'm still unable to get full deflection. And in addition to that, with the new supply, the deflection coils get much warmer. Though it's an improvement, I need to replace the deflection amp with something stronger, and probably reassess the deflection coils as well, not just for how much current they draw, but for distortion as well in the images being drawn. That's it for now, and I hope you enjoy this as much as I do.